Are you looking for the best motorcycle dash cams in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best motorcycle dash cams that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. THINKWARE Sports M1 Dashcam for motorcycle. You don't necessarily need to manually start this dashcam when you turn on your motorbike since it has an automatic on and off. Meaning, the dash can start to record your bike starts immediately and stops when you stop the motorbike. The built-in Wi-Fi makes it easy to share your recording with smart devices like a phone, and you can also search for routes through smartphones. The other great feature on this dashcam is the loop recording that overwrites when the SD is full, so you can continually get recordings on the camera while on the move. The dashcam ensures you get crystal clear video images since it has an electronic image stabilizer essential for reducing vibration and blurriness when you move in dark areas. The casing of this motorcycle dashcam has waterproof material to suit people who ride in rainy seasons. Number 4. Motorcycle Dash Cam Camera, Blueskysea DV688 Sportbike. This dash cam's high recording power makes it a great choice for sports bikes since you will not miss out on anything happening in the area you pass at. The dashcam has dual lenses for capturing both the front and back areas. With a resolution power of 1080p, this dash camera can capture at an angle of up to 130 degrees wide. It features a 2.35 inches lens with night vision, so you can still capture info when riding the bike at night. The entire camera unit is IP67 rated to be waterproof, so you can still tag it when riding a bike under the weather. Number 3. Motorcycle Recording Camera System HaloCam M1 1080p. This motorcycle dashcam is compatible with multiple mounting modes such that you can also equip it on your helmet. It has a compact and lightweight style to eliminate bulkiness. The dual lens mechanism ensures you capture the best on the road from the front and the back. The dashcam has a high resolution power of 1080p to ensure you get clear videos without any blurriness. This also makes it easy to capture videos in dark areas. The dashcam has Wi-Fi integration to connect with your smartphone to have a preview from the phone. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 45, 1080p 2.0, LCD screen. This is a mini dashcam ideal for a motorbike, and the best part is that you can comfortably mount it at the windshield. However, the compact size does not limit the great functionality of the gadget. The dashcam is GPS enabled and has the G sensor to record and save the incidents of every place you visit. Even when you ride your bike at night, rest assured this dashcam will keep the recording since it features a high resolution power of 1080p, ideal for recording even in poorly lit places. The 2 inches LCDs up to 320 by 240 pixels for clear visibility of the recorded videos. Number 1. ZOMFOM Dash Cam Waterproof Recording Camera for Motorcycle. The large 3-inch LCD on this bike dash can provide a large recording space to have a wider record. It is perfect for bikers since it enables them to record all the road events when racing. This dashcam is designed with a large storage space of up to 256 GB to save HD videos and images. This is an HD dashcam worth every penny since it records crispy clear images with a resolution power of 1920x 1080p, 30 fps. While the quality lenses can capture up to 5 million pixels. The dash comes with both front and rear lenses, so you don't miss up on anything on the road.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.